What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learning how to add, how to customize, how to edit the background image on your Slider Revolution on version 7 or bigger, into the latest version. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. How to access dashboard? On the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials, okay? User or email and password. Then you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. This is your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down, focus into the left sidebar of menus, and next to settings, you're gonna be able to see Slider Revolution. Click on it. Scroll down until you see the slider that I would like to change the background image. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here. So I'm gonna hover my mouse over the slider and click into this pencil icon that appears, okay? Click on it. Wait while the slider loads. Here is the slider. Then you're gonna be able to see all the layers. I'm gonna focus into the background, so review the upper right corner of your screen. There is Slider logo, settings, slides, transitions, layers, and add. Go to layers, click on it, and select the background layer. Just click on it, okay? After, review the right side of my screen, okay? We have on layer, this first option right here, slide background. We have color, image, or video. I'm gonna use image. Then on image content, you're gonna hover a mouse over the option. We can choose Slider Revolution, library of images, in the case that you want. You can use AI to generate your image, or you can click on WordPress and select one of your uploaded images, okay? I'm gonna use this option. I think it's easier. Let me pick an image. I think this one is okay. You can even click on upload files and upload a file from your computer, right? Review the bottom of my screen into the right side. Set this image after selecting the image. And here is the result we got, okay? After, we can change the image to make the image cover, contain, auto, some percentage, or repeat, up to you. You can change the focus position of the image into this little map right here to achieve the better result. I recommend that you upload your image into the size of your slider. We're gonna explore slider sizings in other videos, so subscribe to the channel so you can be aware of it. Here is the URL of the image. It can be the original source or the thumbnail source. I recommend that you really use the original source for a better quality of your image. Then, after doing the changes, all you have to do is hit the save button, this diskette button right here. Wait, saving your settings and finalizing adjustments, and you are good to go. Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. See you guys tomorrow. All the best!